Hey, how's it going? I have a 5x8 trailer, and it's what I'm using for lawn care. And I have a 52-inch mower, and I get people asking me, hey, is there 52-inch gonna fit on the trailer? Well, yes it can, and I want to show you. All right, so stand by. All right, there you have it. So I was running a 42-inch CRZ. That's a 52-inch XRZ Pro RS. All right, so let's take a look on how it fits. All right, y'all, so it's in here, okay. A Bobcat XRZ Pro RS, 52-inch, zero turn, okay. 52-inch anything, all right, it could fit in here, all right. There's room, still room right there in the front. Still room in the back over here. Okay. Hey, check this out. So these trimmer racks right here, they get bolted on the inside. So you're losing like about at least an inch, maybe like an inch of width inside the trailer. Okay. All right. So backing up, you're not gonna have no problem. That's not gonna hit this. All right, unless you like totally go against the trimmer rack. But you could ease out easily. There's still space on this side, right there. Still got that room right there. And we got a room right there. See the trimmer rack right here? See? Trimmer rack, y'all. All right, that's how much room we got between the trimmer rack and the side of the zero turn. Okay. All right, y'all. Hope you found this video very informative. Maybe you're wondering, man, do I need a bigger trailer if I'm going to buy a 52-inch zero turn or a 52-inch riding mower? Well, there's your answer. You don't. Okay, you can fit it in there. All right. Just keep in mind this blower rack right here and this. Okay, keep that in mind. All right. If I also go a little bit more, if I also like mount these more towards the ramp, the zero turn will be hitting it. All right, so keep in mind if we can have anything mounted on the row of the trailer. Okay, all right, the zero turn could hit it. All right, I hope you found this video very informative. You know, like showing you what how a 52-inch will fit on the 5x8 trailer. It makes sense. 5 feet is 60 inches, you know what I mean? But you still got that play with the deck or the zero turn. It's a little bit bigger. It's a little bit wider than 52 inches, all right? So, and then you got stuff like on the trailer and everything, all right? You got to keep that in mind, all right? So the more stuff you have, all right, inside the trailer, it'll prevent it from, it'll prevent the zero turn from fitting inside. So hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. There's more videos to come. I like showing y'all my experience with lawn mowing, what do you call it, my side hustle, or how I started. You know, there was a lot of trial and error, you know, when I started, you know, like a lot of lessons learned. Okay, so hey, it's gonna happen, y'all. You're gonna make mistakes. Hey, whatever you do, just keep moving forward. All right, don't stop, keep moving forward. Okay, only one way to go, and that's forward. Remember that. All right, hey, God bless you. And if you haven't subscribed, hit subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit like. All right, God bless you, and bye.